Hi, so at this video I will show you how to use unaddressed direct mail link which you got from your provider. So I have some link, I will paste it in browser or just click on email or whatever, paste it and open it. You automatically will have this screen loaded. You don't need to log in, sign in or do something. You instantly has access to this project. This is some test unaddressed direct mail project. There is already some districts selected. Grid 1 districts means they are selected for this project. At top we have some sections. We can export the current coverage. We can import some districts if we want so. We can show groups, which is empty for now. Groups is something like to group by, if you have some shop there or store something, and these 6 districts are related exactly to this store, then this store could be saved there, store B, A, whatever, and when you will click on it, it will select only these 6 districts. So groups is something like stores. It helps to plan budget for every store or whatever, or branch, something like that. So then you have grid, which is actual districts in grid in table view. You see which districts is selected, what is amount of mailboxes selected, and the total amount of mailboxes. If you click on some district there, you see it zooms into this district. So you can also show the district titles if you want so, but they are just the titles, we don't need them. So if you want to change this coverage, then you can use mouse. Click on this on district you want to add, and right click on it and press assign selected. By default there are selected apartment and residence mailboxes. So just simply click selected, assign selected. You can do by one, selecting by one it will take a lot of time. So you can multi-select, press and hold Control key, for example, and then keep pressing on these districts. So this way you can select multiple districts at once. There you see the subtotals for your selection. This is last selected district, which means that there are 600 apartment mailboxes and 18 residential mailboxes. And this is total selection, 106 residential and 14,000 apartment level mailboxes. When you are good with this selection, happy with this selection, again press assign selected. The same similar thing is to remove. Just select which ones you want to remove and deassign them. And basically that's it. These changes you made there are instantly available for your provider, and he see all these changes. Also, it is not enabled there, but it is possible to apply colors. Your supplier can colorize these districts. For example, for one store they can be blue, for other store they can be red. Also, it is possible to show the place marks of every store if you have some. For example, branches or something like that. Then you can show these places there. You can also apply any list of addresses you want to display on the map. But currently there are not. There has no any. So, and again you see this total amount of how much is selected. You can also use this fast selection if you know some regions or cities or something you want to select by one click. For example, at city Riga I will select some for example, this region. Yes, it instantly selects all these mailboxes. It shows 24,000, for example, and you can right click there as well. You see now the grid is on small. There are not all districts. You see only selected. To see all, you must go to the top root node there, because now it is selected, filtered by this region. Go to all, and you see the all list, 48,000. This way you can change the project supplier sends you. This link is unique, and if there is some third party who got this access, you can ask for provider to delete this link or to change this link to some other one. But these links are not public, and they are known only by you and your provider. So if you don't want to share this information, don't share this link to anybody. If you want to disable this link, ask for your supplier. He has options to disable it. So in general, that's it. You have nothing more. If you want, you can press save and close, but basically it does nothing. These all changes are saved already. Thank you.